This is a program that we thought of a couple of years ago. This is Chuck Stuckey of Rivers West and myself, who just thought it would be a great thing for Portland to get families involved in boats and the river and sailing, boat building, and to develop a program that really reached out to families who were not previously involved in boat building. And so came up with this collaboration of the Rivers West organization, the Oregon Maritime Museum, which I'm primarily associated with, and then Willamette Sailing Club, who this year was the site of the program. And we're able to recruit a number of families, half of whom really have never had much to do at all with boats, and come down and in 2 days build their own boat.
13 a quart, that's perfect. Let me come down on that. 7/16.
This is the second family boat build that Rivers West has sponsored. With the help of the museum and Willamette Sailing Club, we're building 10 boats here on the banks of the Willamette. It's been going on since 9 o'clock yesterday morning, and the boats should be done in about an hour, and all of them will be in the water. Our club members started working about 4 months ago, cutting out the boat parts, and we made all the parts for 10 boats, and then the family started, as I said yesterday, to put them together.
Third thing is putting the bottom edges, which means we have to make sure it's nice and even. Then 14, putting the side edges of the whole thing, I think.
Gap on this side. Yeah, there's a big gap. Big gap.
I'm going on the second shine, and I'm just doing the dry fits for the screws.
They're doing great. They're way ahead of schedule, and it's except for losing a bag of screws, we're doing just fine.
Great party.
You having fun?
Yeah, I sure am. My wife's working, but I'm having fun.
There's that one. Okay.
Same again.
And was it one soda? 2 sodas. Yeah, one.
You want to squirt? Give you a stamp. Let me give you this. You take this over there for the hamburger. On the ground,
Go ahead and cut against line, and then I'll help you get this on.
do that, huh? I like it.
So, we're going to use this tape, this magazine tape that makes it stick.
How do you build a boat? You know now?
Yeah, use screws, glue, and wood.
You gonna put it in the water now?
Yep. We're gonna carry it and put it in the water.
Woohoo!
We got it launched.
We didn't sink.
We didn't sink. In fact, we didn't even see a leak.
We're awesome.
Great, so how do you feel now?
Great.
Good.
We had a good time.
Yeah, we had a great time.
And what are you gonna do with this boat? Are you gonna take it around the world?
No, I think I'll paint it up real nice and set it down at the beach and fish every now and then.
Fishing.
It is so enjoyable to be down here and help a family do something together, like build a boat. And for half of these folks say they've never done anything like this before. Of course, it's good to have the boat and be able to have the capability to get on the water, but it's the activity itself that I think is really instrumental for a lot of these families. Just doing something together that is so significant that they end up with a 12-foot wood boat that they actually built.